Okay.
Okay, now we are live. Hello friends, I am Aditya Tiwari and we are here to discuss about problem set 1 of Introduction to Computer Science and Programming, the course offered by MIT. Okay, start. Ask your questions, Bhavesh.
Okay. So I don't actually have any questions right now. I was just gonna start with the problem set number one.
Okay, you haven't started yet?
No,
Have you
started.
started? Okay, 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 no problem. Let us deal together.
All right.
Okay.
Did you start it? Did you complete problem set one?
Yeah, I have completed.
Okay.
Okay, one sec. Let me share my screen with you. Wait, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay. Here's the first question. Have you got this question? Have you read this question?
Yeah, I just read.
Okay.
I just
Okay.
read it. I'm string of lowercase characters.
Okay.
So we are just supposed to check for A, E, I, O, U, and
Yeah, you're right. I've
we are
completed it.
supposed to count. Okay. I'll try to complete it on my screen. Should I share my screen with you?
Yeah. You start. Share your
Okay.
Canopy screen with me, okay?
What is the canopy?
Canopy, that editor, which editor are you using for Python?
Actually, I use Ubuntu, and in Ubuntu, I directly edit Python from the terminal or directly write the edit.
Oh, okay, no problem. You can share that with me.
So okay.
Yeah, share it with me.
I'll share my entire desktop instead.
Okay.
So, you see my desktop?
Yeah, I can see. Sorry, I can't see your screen.
Is it quite small or did it turn off?
Yeah, it turned off.
Okay, I'll restart it.
Okay.
Can you see it?
No. Yeah, I can see it. Okay.
So I'm supposed to accept the string from user because over here that website is gonna give me a string, but over here I'm supposed to provide a string.
Yeah.
So I'll accept the string from user. Are we supposed to create a function for that, or is it a normal?
No. It's not mandatory. It's not necessary.
Okay. So we are supposed to print number of vowels. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just write it. Print number of vowels could count.
str1 is not defined.
str1.
Okay, it is ht1.
Yep.
I think it is working. I'll submit it to the website.
Yeah, yeah. Or you can do one more thing here. You can hello, can you hear me, Bhavesh?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
You can do one more thing here, that instead of writing vowel as array, you can just write
Yeah,
it as a string, because Python treat string as a array. Okay, so you
yeah.
can just write vowels equal to the quantum code a e i o u. That will also work.
It's quite easier than creating a list.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Oh,
Expect one and
still okay.
str1.
Okay, just remove
Okay.
your first line.
Yeah.
st1. Instead of writing st1, just write s.
Okay, yeah, because they assume the string to be s.
Yeah.
You
Okay, you got the answer.
counting bobs. Assume as a string of lowercase characters. Write a program that prints number of times the string bob awkwardness. For example, s is your program should print number of times Bob offers to you. These do not include.
Alright.
So for that, I'm supposed to
Okay.
um, I need to compare the first three characters with the first three characters which the user inputs.
Yeah.
Uh,
Not first, but
yeah,
all.
yeah,
Okay.
first three, then next three, then next three.
Next three. Okay. Right.
So I think I'll use some loops
Yeah,
for
you should.
this.
You can use for loop here. It will be more convenient.
Okay,
All
in
right.
range
In range.
0 to length of s.
Yeah. Why are you using length of as -3?
Because I want to consider only the, for example, if my string is this, then first I will compare AWE, then I'll compare WEA,
Yeah. Yeah.
and then EAW till that
Yeah.
last, at the last point I'll reach till here. So,
No,
I'll
no.
reach this character as my last character.
No need to put 3 there, because it won't check your last two characters E and A. If it will contain B O B at last, then the output will wrong. So instead of writing len s minus 1, you can use 0 to len s. That will be okay, I think.
Okay, so inside my for loop, I'm supposed to compare my Bob with the string which I have. One
No,
minute, I'll come back.
okay, okay. Just try,
1 minute.
then I will tell you answer.
Right back. Is there any Python function to compare all the three characters at once?
No, 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 don't do this. Just instead of writing nested loop, remove for from here. I'm showing you what to do. Remove for.
Okay.
Okay, you can compare it in array like first three. Okay, just type it. Then you will understand it. Just type if. I'm showing you. Just type if s of s as array s type s big brackets. Okay, one I is to. Okay, just see on my screen. I'm unable to explain. Okay, just see on the screen.
Okay, okay,
I'll
no
show you
problem.
how it will be. Okay, can you hear? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
You can write like this: if s 1 is to 3, 1 plus 3. That means we are comparing from when I is 0, where we are comparing 0 to 3. Then
Okay.
when I is 1, we are comparing 1 to. We are matching. Okay, we are matching 1 to 4, and when I increment I plus 2 also increases. Therefore, we are comparing words in group of 3. Okay, understand?
Okay, so by using the square brackets, you're comparing a part of string with with
Yeah,
BOB.
yeah,
But
we are
my doubt
comparing.
over here is your I varies from 0 to length of s. So, for example, if my string is BOB at that time, for example, if my string is
Yeah,
like 8 characters long and my I will vary from 0 to 7 at that time. So when my I is 7, it will be s of 7 plus 3.
7.
So how is 7 plus 3 evaluated? Because that is outside your scope of the. It is out. It is greater than the length of string.
Yeah, but as Python defaultly treated the last character as null character. Okay.
Last character is null character in
Yeah,
Python.
but after 7 characters, it will treat them as null character.
Okay.
So they will should false result for matching. So it will not manipulate our result. But it would be better if we can put minus 2 here.
And you check if it works with -2 or -3.
It works for this type of code, but let me check for 3. Okay.
Okay.
No, it don't work for 3.
Is it not working?
It's not working for 3,
Okay. Okay. All right.
but it works for 2.
Okay.
Okay, means we are comparing till the end of the string
All
with
right. All
2.
right. I got. I got. So
Okay.
it is if s of I plus 3 is equal.
Yes.
Don't we have count plus plus or count minus minus in Python?
Yeah, we have. No, no,
Means
we don't have. No, it won't work.
okay, because I remember I used to do count plus plus, count minus minus in C and Java.
Yeah, yeah, right.
That's why.
Let's try it. Okay, let's confirm it. But I think it's not work. It will not work.
Yeah, I tried it last time, it did not work.
No, it will not work. Yeah,
Alright. Alright.
it works. It's working.
Count plus plus is working for you?
No, it's not working.
Okay.
I think it's not valid Python expression.
Okay. We only have three questions and problems at one.
Yeah, but third one is little bit tricky.
Okay, I'm at the last.
It's little
Okay.
bit tricky.
Assume S a string of lowercase characters like a program that prints the longest substring of S in which the letters occur in alphabetical order. For example, S is equal to AZ. Then your program should print longest substring in alphabetical B, E, G, G, H. In the case of dice, print the first substring. For example, if S is equal to A, B, C, D, C, D, then your program should print longest substring in alphabetical order is A, B, C. A program such as the problem is fairly challenging. We encourage you to work smart.
Yeah.
If you have spent more than a few hours on this problem, we suggest that you move to a different part of course. More than a few hours. Okay, I'll try it. I think we had longest common subsequence in our college.
Yeah,
Yeah, there was a method on LCS. We used to solve it by some table method.
yeah, yeah. But here's no need of that. We can do it very easily. But you can apply it here. Let's try longest common subsequence here.
Hmm, I'll have to think over it. Okay, I think I've found the solution. I'll make a list, and that list will contain A to Z, all the alphabets from A to Z,
Okay.
and then I'll have a counter, and that counter will be incremented every time I encounter a letter from the list.
Okay.
And if the letter is less than my counter, then my counter will be set to 0.
You are thinking right, but there's no need to create a link. If you are declaring a char here, char,
Yeah,
and you
yeah.
will increment it, then it will automatically work as counter. Like char A is less than char B, okay? Because B comes
Oh,
after
yeah.
A. Okay, no need to create a.
Okay, so
Just
yeah, there are no
declare a
data
char.
types in Python. You mean only one letter in this one letter inside string.
You can compare char. Just yeah, you're right. Just one, or you can
So
write
you can compare A is less than B and it will return true.
yeah.
Okay, let me try it. Python true and B is less than A false. Okay. I is less than what? If I is less than I plus 1 won't work over here. I think it should work. Wait. I is
Yeah,
less than S of
I plus one also work, I think. No, you have to take three variables, okay? Because we have to compare uh, three strings. Like wait one. Okay, we have to compare strings, okay? So
yeah.
you have to take three. Okay, just try it. I will tell you.
I plus 1. I don't think this is gonna work.
Yes, I also don't think.
Concatenate string in it. I'm supposed to find what is the next character after I. So this is a character. The
If I is
character.
less than I
So
plus one.
character after I. Mm-hmm.
Okay, just use three variable here. For one for current, for one for previous, one for current word, one for previous letter, and one for next letter. Okay, and if check
Okay, wait.
if okay, just check my screen. Okay, I will show you how to do it. Just check it. Can you see my screen?
Okay.
Yeah.
Not right
There.
now.
Okay. Here is max up, current sub, and previous character. Okay. I am
I
initializing it. Yeah. Yes. Say.
I cannot see your screen.
Okay. Sorry. Can you see it now?
I think it is
Hello.
loading. 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it is loading. It is black. Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay. Here's three variables: max sub, current sub, and previous character. Okay. I'm initializing all of them with null strings
Okay.
or empty strings. Okay. Then I'm comparing if character. Yeah, yeah, it's valid. It's
Okay.
a working code. Okay. For character in S,
Okay.
if character is greater than previous character. Okay. If next
Mhm.
character is greater than previous character, then current sub equal to current sub plus character. Then we are creating a new string with current sub. Okay, like first character is A. First character is empty. Okay, because we are initializing our character with empty string. So first character is empty. Then when we increment about our next character, that will our first character in string. For example, here if I am giving it A B D A S like this, so our first character will be empty, that is char. Then
Yeah.
our previous our previous character will be empty, that is char, and our character will be A. Okay,
Yeah.
and we know that A is greater than empty string.
Yeah.
Okay, then we put current sub equal to current sub plus char, means we are putting A in our current sub. Okay, then if length of current
Okay.
sub is greater than length of max sub, that we are assuming it to be a single string like this. In the It is for
Okay.
that case. Okay, then we are making max
Okay.
sub
So
equal
you
to.
update your value of max up.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Then here, as this is for as if we don't have A greater than blank, or we don't have B, or like this D is less greater than A, or S is greater than A, then we will execute this else statement. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
it's not that much.
This program looks quite difficult at first glance.
Yeah, it's quite tricky.
So you update previous character to your current character at the last statement of your for loop, and in else you change your else statement executed your next character is not greater than your current character.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay, thank you. I'll try. We're not supposed to count anything over here. We are just supposed to count the maximum.
Yeah, sorry.
Thing over here, we are just supposed to get the string which is maximum in length, increasing order.
I'm really very sorry, I cannot hear you. There is some interruption in voice. Can you please repeat?
Okay, never mind. I just said that uh, you don't have to count your length of string. You just have to find out the string which is.
Yeah, yeah. Just have to find out the longest string.
Okay, so we have current character, previous character, and max. A current character. I think this work.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it is working. A, B, C, D. It is not printing E. E did not get added. The
Yeah,
longest common subsequence is one character less.
yes. Have you done it for string having two common subsequences? Two same like ABC and DF. Okay, you got it.
A, D.
ABC,
By
BCD.
longest common by longest common sequence, they mean that all the letters should be in alphabetical order. So if you have A, B, C, D, E, F, then your output should be A, B, C, D, E, F,
ABC, BCD. Try for
shouldn't it?
ABC, ABC, BCD. Try for ABC, BCD.
Okay, should be A, B, C.
It should be ABC. Is it working for it?
No, no, it is showing longest common subsequence is B, C.
Yeah, my else
Yes, wrong.
statement here, my else statement, my if len current has to be equal to len and max up equal to current sub. This one, can you see it?
Yeah, if length of current substring. Oh, you're comparing length of string.
Uh,
Okay, I'm not comparing length of string. What happens if you direct compare two strings?
it will compare each words by words.
No, it is only.
So it won't work. Is it working?
No, it is not adding C over there. Only A, B is added.
Yeah, because your else statement, current sub, current string, current character. I think you should correct your else statement.
Else has current string equals null. What your else has?
Check this.
Because if I is not greater, then you're supposed to empty string as well as no, you're just supposed to empty your current string. So
No, no, no. It.
you can start fresh.
I don't think it's right.
What have you written in else part?
Check this. Can you see my screen?
No, I cannot see your screen.
Okay. Can you see it now?
I think it is loading. It is black. It will come in a minute. Yeah, I can see it now. So in else part, you substitute current
Yeah.
substring with character. Why do you do that?
Yeah. Current sub equal to char. I'm
Yeah.
putting. देखो, if char is greater than equal to previous char, okay, then it will execute this one, and else this will execute this one. Okay. If char is not greater than equal to previous char, or current sub equal to char, means there is only one string in a one letter in a string. That is for just one letter in a string. You
But
should correct a string here.
okay.
Okay, this one, this statement. If length of current sub is greater
Okay.
than length of max sub,
Okay. Okay. So you're
here
substituting chart with previous char.
I'm comparing max sub and current sub. Okay,
The part I'm asking about the else part. You're substituting char to current sub because we're comparing char with previous char. I cannot I
okay,
cannot illustrate that.
okay. Just okay. Let me try to explain it. Here, current sub equal to char. Okay, That is, first of all, let's take an example. I have like this. So if I am taking, I am on B. Okay. If char in string
Okay.
S B, yeah, it's in. Then if char is greater than previous char, yeah, char is greater than previous char, then it will execute current sub equal to current sub plus char, this one. Okay. Okay, but when we come here,
So your value of current sub will be
yeah,
your
hello.
value of current sub right now will be what? Hello?
My value of current sub, then there will be A and B. Okay, A B.
Okay.
I'm incrementing my current sub each time when I got a letter greater than previous letter. Okay, then when I got S, then my
Okay.
current
So
sub will be
initially
S.
your value of
Yeah.
okay, okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. My only doubt was with the else part.
Yeah. I'm coming to that point. Okay.
Okay.
Then my current sub will be ABS. Okay. Then after D, when D comes, okay, then what will happen here if char is greater than previous char? We know that D is less than S. Okay,
Yes.
then
Yes.
here it executes else statement. Okay, then what we will see, our current statement is ABS. Okay, our current statement is ABS and our length of maximum sub. Okay, here we are not using any max sub, so length of max sub is 0 when I'm executing
Length.
ABS. Max length of max sub is 0 because max sub is empty string.
Yeah.
Okay,
At the
then it
first
will
time.
then at first time, then it will execute else statement. Oh,
Yes.
sorry, I got it wrong. Sorry. Okay, you starting from the point where current sub equal to ABS. Okay, current sub equal to ABS. Okay, then
Okay.
when it comes D, then it comes D. We are here.
Yeah.
Current sub equal to char. We are comparing current sub equal to char. So what we are putting in current sub, we are putting D in current sub. Okay, our current sub
Okay.
will be D. Then our previous char will be char. That is, in next step, I am putting previous char as what's here. Then again, I'm executing the
Previous
loop.
chart.
Okay, means once I have completed my first substring with uh, longest substring ABS. Then I come to D.
Okay. So in my program, when
Then
I
I come to D.
substituted my current sub, in my program, when I substituted my current sub with null string, at that time I skipped my D.
No, I think you are what you are doing. You are just comparing a
So,
string only one time. You are comparing when your program got a common longest substring, it drop out the another string.
all right. Can you see my program now?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, I'll try to use it. Yes, it is working, I think. Someone's on the door. All right, back.
Mm,
So I think my program is working.
okay.
So what was happening when I substituted it with empty string? At that time, what didn't get into my
Hmm.
current string is my last character of current. This character I, which I character got lost, and I directly in next loop I went on to the next I. So my current I got lost. All right, I
Yeah.
understood. So to save my current I keep it in current string. Okay.
Hmm.
Expected NPQT got NPQ.
Take TLD.
If you compare my program, I only compare char is greater than previous character. It is equal to. Is greater than equal to.
Yes.
It's still not working. Um, for string x d u, the expectation was ADLLR, and our program gave AADDAADLL. So A got repeated two
AADLL.
times.
Yes.
Something is wrong.
Here it requires
Every
ADLL.
time this. See, over here A got repeated two times. So in my program, if my longest common subsequence does not start from beginning, if it starts later, like if I have a random string over here and then I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then I have some other string, my output should be A, B, C, D, E, G. Output is, wait a minute, this random string, and if I have A, B, C, D, E, F, B, A, B, C, D, G, and in my output my last character is not included, but first character is repeated two times, three times,
Yeah.
did one more time.
I see.
Is my program and your program same right now?
No.
What is different?
Here's difference. What you adding? You are adding current string plus equal to current char. Okay. And I am adding current sub is equals to current
Yes.
uh, plus char, and you are adding current. Now you're right. That's length max string max sub is equals to current sub else. You are wrong here. Current character is equals to I. Okay.
Over
Just
here in the
write
last of for.
previous. Yeah, you are repeating it here. Current string equal to I and current character is equals to I. Just write previous.
So it should be my previous.
Previous character is equals to I. Just write it.
Okay, okay. Using previous character in my string.
Yeah.
Anywhere. Where should I use it?
Previous character equal to I. Oh, and one more thing. You are comparing I with current character. Compare I with previous character. Okay.
Oh yeah. So over there, previous character is getting
Yeah.
used. Okay. I think this should work now. No, it's not working.
Why it's not working yet?
If it is greater than or equal to my previous character, then I add current character to my current string.
For INS.
Add character to current string. How about if I add I to current string?
Yeah.
So instead of current character, if I write I over here, then I'm adding my current character. My current character is I. I'm adding I with my current string.
Yeah. You should add current string to current I. Yeah. This should be correct.
Yeah,
You should add
should be
current
correct.
string to I. Yeah. Yeah. You should do. Yeah. Now it will work definitely.
A B. Yeah, it is working. It is
Yeah.
working. It is working. Thank you. And I don't need current character. I'll remove it.
Just click hide output here.
Yes, I did. It is working.
Yeah. I can't see.
Work.
It's loading.
Can you see it?
No. No. I can't. Yeah. Yeah. Now I can see it. Yes. Correct.
Okay, it worked. Thank
Yeah.
you for that.
Okay. No problem.
Should we wait for other people to join and help them when they come, or how long is the session going to last?
I don't think we have to wait because it's about 1 hour and nobody came.
Yeah.
Okay, this is problem with many Indians. Okay, what are you doing in studies, Bhavish?
I'm doing computer engineering from University of Mumbai.
Okay, which year?
I completed my second year, and from July, my third year is going to start.
Okay, same here.
Great. So even you are in computer engineering in
Yeah.
Mumbai University?
No, but I'm from Madhya Pradesh, Indore.
Okay, great. I think
Sorry.
syllabus is going. I would like to see your syllabus sometime later.
Sorry. Can you please repeat it? Hello.
I would like syllabus late. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
I would like to see your syllabus later.
About of
Your syllabus,
syllabus of.
computer engineering. Your syllabus of computer engineering.
Okay, okay. Okay, one more thing I want to ask you. Have you joined the uh, course SaaS, Software as a Service? Hello, Bhavish, can you hear
No.
me?
Hello. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, I can
I
hear.
think there is some connection
Hello.
problem. Yeah.
Yes.
Have you joined Software as a Service course?
Fine.
It or try to complete it. It's a very good course. Working, it's on Ruby on Rails. It's a great language for web developers. You should try it. Okay.
Okay. Okay. What is the name of course again?
Software as a Service.
Can you
I'm working as
send me
teaching
some link
assistant for
or?
that tool. Okay, okay, I'm sending you.
Okay. Good.
Just wait. There is much things to learn in that course.
Okay.
Okay, just I'm sending you the link of the course. The course has been ended on 1 second. Uh, The course has been ended on June 12th, but you can try it when the next version of this course will come. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay, I'm sending you the link in comment box. Okay, do you got the link?
Yes, I got it. It is on EDX.
Yeah.
That is good. And for my EDX, I have joined 3 courses. One is this, MIT X.0.0.1.
One is this, and another two.
Another is one more course, Introduction to Linux.
Okay, it has been started yet.
No, it has not started yet.
Yeah,
You use Windows 8 as your default operating system?
yeah.
Okay.
But I am also using Linux with virtual machines.
Okay.
Okay, have you joined the
Okay,
course
good.
Java? Course on Java.
No, I haven't.
This
I
that
don't
course.
quite like Java because its syntax is not quite readable.
Oh,
It's like writing some complex stuff. So I would prefer Python or C instead of Java. And it runs on virtual machine, so it is quite slower,
okay, no
according to
problem.
me.
Then you should try Ruby, because Ruby is much similar like Python, but and having great features. Only the Ruby is the language which is completely object oriented. Everything in Ruby is object. Like integer is an object, and everything. In fact, method is an object in Ruby. Okay. If we are calling a method, we are calling an object. If we are declaring a class, it is an object. Class is an object of class. It's very interesting. You should try it.
Okay.
The second version of this course is in progress, but I don't think you can join it without completing the first version. And also, it will be better if you can learn Java before going for this course.
Yeah, I did learn basics of Java in my we had object-oriented programming methodology, and
Okay,
there they had everything to do with Java.
okay. I think you can try courseware here. You should try this course if you have time, because this course is really ultimate course.
Okay, sure, I'll definitely try it.
It will teach.
Page not found.
I don't know why it's so. Let me check.
Maybe because the course has ended, that's why they
No,
don't
no,
have courses available.
no, no. This should not be done. No, it's working for me. Try it another time. I will ask about that in discussion forum with the content creator why it's happening. Because in EDX, every
Okay,
course after its completion is available for students, so it should be there.
okay.
Or you can try more earlier version of this course.
And okay, sure, I'll try. And did you complete the next problem set?
Yeah, I have completed it.
Problem set 2?
Yeah, I have completed it.
Okay, and if we are going to have a hangout on problem set 2, then I'll make sure that I'll complete this code. After that, I'll join the hangout. So
Oh, no problem. We can do the problem set like this next time again. And better if we can
okay,
talk in
sure.
Hindi.
But I think that,
Okay.
but the problem is that as more people join with us, then
Uh,
everyone will understand what we are speaking, and you can even
yeah,
upload
yeah,
the hangout on YouTube if you want.
yeah. You're right. But I prefer Hindi more than English
Okay.
because it gives more explaining power to us. We can explain much more easily with Hindi than in English.
That depends on what language you are more comfortable with
Yeah,
talking to.
yeah. Because in English it's good for conversation, but when you are going to explain something, I think Hindi is better.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. We will see it next time, according to the audience.
Okay, sure. And if you are going to have a session, then you should try to even post it on Facebook because more number of people are available on Facebook's MITx page instead of the Google Plus page.
I think this is the
So you
problem.
should post a link over there. You should
Okay,
post a link over there and you should tell them to join the Hangout. So more
okay,
people will be available next time.
Okay, okay. And one more thing, you can also create events on that page. I have created. There is not restriction that
The
only
Google
I can
Plus.
create event. You can create.
Okay.
You can also create events on that page. On this
Okay.
page.
Okay. Where are you
Okay.
supposed to
Uh,
create events over here? Events? No, not over here.
okay. Can we go for problem set tomorrow?
Sure.
Okay. I'll just create an event there. Which time is comfortable to you?
Um, I think you should ask other people as well because
Okay, okay, but I think I should give them choice with three times, because
yeah,
if I will just randomly type what time is suitable to all of you, then each and every person will type different time.
yeah, I think you should do some kind of poll or it will be difficult for you to carry on the same event three times in a day, or you can do it like I hosted one time, you can host it one time, so it's strict for only one person to handle one single event three times in a day.
No, 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 I am not going to do that. I don't have that much time.
That's why you can have a vote on Google Plus, or
Yeah, exactly.
and we see.
Okay, I think we can over it now, because I have some important work. I have to
Okay,
go. Okay.
okay, sure. Okay, sure.